Hi, my name is Harry Adeniti, and I'm originally from the UK, but I currently live in the States. I received funding on September of 2021, and I completed the evaluation in a little under 3 months. I did the $50,000 account, and I chose this account because the rules and parameters that align with that account worked best for how I traded. My trading approach is more of a scalper and not so much a swing trader or anything like that, so pretty in and out. How simple and easy the rules were to basically understand and keep in the back of your mind when trading. I think the one-step process as well really helped, and I think it, compared to other platforms, it really sets you up to be successful as a trader no matter your trading style. I would definitely recommend OneUp Trader to my friends and other traders out there. Just, for any sort of trading standpoint, I think the rules and parameters across all the accounts are really helpful and are easily communicated. My experience with the support team was exceptional. I had a few instances where I needed help getting into my account or my credentials weren't working, and the support team was really responsive and making sure they were able to help me and assist me in a timely manner. After completing the evaluation, I received my funded account within, I believe, a week. So the turnaround process was really quick, and they provide you with great communication across emails. That is really helpful just to make sure you're not in the dark with how the process is going. There were no hidden fees or anything like that. I think that was another thing that drew me to OneUp, was how transparent they are with their communication and the fees that they're outlined on the website. So that was another great thing to see, and that drew me into OneUp originally. I think going off the communication again, there was an instance where I was inactive on my account, on my funded account, for a week or so, and I received communication saying, that I've been inactive, and this is a rule in the funded account. So once again, the communication from that standpoint is really good, as some other platforms, I guess, aren't as transparent in terms of making sure that you know where you're at with your account. So OneUp did a great job with this. There were some other platforms that I tried to get funding with, but in terms of comparing those to OneUp, I think, like I said, the one-step process of getting your account was, it definitely attracted me more to OneUp than the others. And the rules and parameters that OneUp has in their evaluations across all accounts just seemed much more simplistic, and it seemed like they were trying to help you be successful as a trader rather than worrying so much about capital. So I think there was a good balance all around there, from helping the trader succeed and just being very transparent with their rule set. In terms of me picking my entries and exits, I use technical analysis through Fibonacci retracements. So I'm using Fibonacci retracements to enter and exit my trades at a certain levels in futures indices. In terms of indicators, I use the VWAP, and then I also use some custom built indicators. In terms of the goals or amounts I'm wanting to withdraw, that's still up in the air, but ideally it would like to be, a grand, $1,000 a week, and just kind of scale from that way. In terms of how I start my trading day, I usually follow and watch videos on just a daily market analysis before, pre-trading around 8:30 Eastern, and I do my market analysis for the day then until the market opens at 9:30 Eastern. So I have a good hour or so to get my levels in play and identify what areas of support or resistance look good for me. Overall, though, I would say the OneUp experience has definitely helped me improve my trading ability, and it was the simplicity that I needed from a funded trader standpoint to not overcomplicate my trading or the way that I trade. And it was one less thing to sort of think about when picking, a platform to get funded with. So all in all, my experience has been great with OneUp, from the rules, the support, the parameters. Everything has been exceptional, and there was no complaints on my behalf at all. So nothing but positive things to say. And I think in terms of advice for other traders on the evaluation, I would just say to take your time and stay patient with the process. And even though there's an evaluation, there's also no time limit on how long you have, which I know there are a lot of platforms that do have a time limit. OneUp doesn't, so definitely take advantage of that, and definitely, obviously, I'm sure you've heard it before, stick to your rules and stick to what you know, and identifying the best levels of support and resistance that work best for your trading style, and utilize OneUp and its support and resources on their website. And yeah, good luck. Thank you.